Hey guys, in this video I will give you complete tutorial of Fireflies.ai. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Fireflies.ai is an AI-powered meeting assistant that can join your meetings, record conversations, transcribe everything in real time, and even generate summaries with key action points. Whether you are working in sales, marketing, or collaborating remotely with teams, this tool allows you to focus on conversations instead of worrying about taking notes manually. In this guide, you will learn how to set up Fireflies.ai, how to connect it with your meeting platforms, and how to use its smart features effectively to improve your workflow. To get started, the first step is to visit the official website at Fireflies.ai. Once you land on the home page, you will see an option in the top corner to log in using your credentials. However, if you are new to the platform, the better approach is to click on the Get Started option. This will take you to a sign-up page where you need to enter the required details in order to access the platform. Fireflies offers a 7-day free trial, allowing you to test all its features without any initial cost. You can sign up using your Google account or Microsoft account, which makes the process quick and convenient. After completing the sign-up, you will gain access to the Fireflies.ai platform without any issues. Once your account is created, you will be asked to provide some additional details so that Fireflies can personalize your experience and customize the dashboard according to your preferences. You may need to select your role, for example, freelancer or any other profession that fits your use case. After that, you can choose the tools you commonly use, such as Google Docs, Google Drive, Notion, Dropbox, and other integrations. Selecting these options helps Fireflies tailor its features to your workflow. You will also have the option to invite coworkers to your workspace. If you prefer, you can skip this step for now and invite them later. Once everything is set, you can proceed by starting your free trial. You may be required to provide credit card details, but you can cancel anytime during the trial period. After completing the setup, you will arrive at the dashboard, and your free trial will be active. You can close any pop-ups and continue exploring the platform. On the left-hand side, you will find the navigation panel that contains all the main sections. The home page serves as an overview of your recent activity. Since this is a new account, it may appear empty at first, but as you start using Fireflies, it will display summaries of your meetings, tasks, recommendations, and insights such as key points, action items, and follow-ups generated by the AI. The Meetings section acts as a central archive where all your recorded and transcribed meetings are stored. Here, you can replay recordings, read transcripts, highlight important parts, and review discussions in detail. If you want to start using Fireflies for transcription, you need to schedule a meeting. Click on this option at the top, and you can do this by connecting your calendar, such as Google Calendar. For example, you can create a meeting with a title, add details, set notifications, and even configure it to repeat if necessary. Once everything is set, click Save and invite participants such as clients, team members, or collaborators. After sending the invitation, the meeting will be scheduled successfully. Returning to Fireflies, you can check the meeting status section, which shows the current state of your meetings. This includes scheduled meetings, live meetings, and recordings in progress. It helps you keep track of what is happening and what is coming next. Another important feature is uploads, where you can manually upload audio or video files such as recorded meetings or interviews. Once uploaded, Fireflies can transcribe and analyze the content automatically. You can also edit these files, apply changes, and process them for transcription. This is particularly useful if you have existing recordings that you want to convert into text and extract insights from. The integration section is where Fireflies becomes even more powerful. Here, you can connect the platform with various tools such as Asana, Airtable, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and many others. These integrations help streamline your workflow by automating tasks and syncing meeting notes across different platforms. This ensures that your work stays organized and connected without requiring manual effort. The Analytics section provides valuable insights into your meetings. It includes data such as the number of meetings conducted, speaking time versus listening time, speaker performance, and overall meeting sentiment. These insights are particularly useful for managers, sales teams, and coaches who want to evaluate communication effectiveness and improve engagement. The Voice Agents is a dedicated area where users can create, manage, and run AI-powered agents that conduct real voice conversations automatically on their behalf. Instead of attending calls manually, users can set up a voice agent that speaks, listens, and interacts with people in real time, handling tasks like interviews, sales calls, support conversations, or feedback collection. The AI skills section provides access to intelligent tools within Fireflies. These tools include automated summaries, action item generation, and other AI-driven features that help you make sense of your meetings quickly. You can create new AI apps and customize them based on your needs, allowing you to enhance productivity and reduce manual work. The Team section allows you to manage your workspace and invite collaborators. You can add team members using email, integrate with platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams, or share invitation links. This makes it easy to collaborate with others and manage team activities within Fireflies. Before going to Upgrade section, let's click on this More option. Here, first you will see this Soundbites section. Here, users can create, view, and manage short audio or video clips of important moments from meetings. Instead of rewatching or re-listening to entire recordings, this section allows you to quickly extract and focus on key highlights, such as decisions, action items, or important quotes. Another useful feature is the Playlist section, where you can organize important clips or highlights from different meetings into one place. You can create a new playlist, assign access permissions, and decide whether it should be private or shared with teammates. Then there is the Topic Tracker section. This allows you to define specific keywords or topics that you want Fireflies to monitor during meetings. Whenever these keywords appear in conversations, the system will tag them automatically. This makes it easier to track important discussions and revisit key topics later. Lastly, the Contacts section allows you to manage all the participants that Fireflies has interacted with. This makes it easier to track communication across meetings and maintain better organization. If you need to add a new meeting, you can do so easily from this section, making it a helpful tool for sales, client management, and team collaboration. And if you want to unlock more advanced features, you can upgrade your plan. While the free trial gives you access to basic features, paid plans offer additional capabilities and improved performance. Options typically include Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans, with different pricing levels. However, it is recommended to explore the free version first and fully understand the platform before upgrading. Overall, Fireflies.ai is a powerful tool that simplifies meeting workflows by automating transcription, generating insights, and improving collaboration. It helps you stay focused on conversations while the AI handles the rest. That brings us to the end of this complete walkthrough. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.